I know they're not essential, but I did want to just get her a couple of stickers to start off. I want to see what they have here because their Instagram and TikTok always looks so fun. Here is Melissa's future Hobonichi.
Hello, it is so lovely to see you here. Today's video is a great video if you are starting or thinking about starting your journal planner journey, because in this video, I'm going to be putting together a journaling starter care package for my best friend, Melissa. Melissa not too long ago told me that she wanted to start journaling more consistently. And then around the same time, I saw a Loft exclusive Hobonichi Weeks design that just was so her. And luckily my brother was in Japan at that time, so he was able to get it for me. So it just felt like all the stars were aligning, you know? There's the demand, there's the design that's perfect for her, and there is the person that will get this item to me. I obviously want to set her up for success, so we will be visiting a somewhat new stationery store here in Los Angeles so I can set her up with some of what I considered my journaling holy grails. Last year I did a video similar to this called Hobonichi on a Budget, and it was a video where I basically laid out the items that I think is essential to creating my layouts. So it's a lot of products that I use every week, but the bare minimum without skimping on quality. I will leave a link to that right here if you want to check it out. So let's go stationery shopping.
Today we are going to Mount Forest, or I think it's like a play on words for mountain forest. And we are going to pick out some stationery stuff that I want to get for my friend Melissa so she can start her little Hobonichi journey. But also, I watch so much videos on Yoseka, and I always think, like, I wish like Yoseka was here, but there are stationery stores in LA, so I thought maybe I will try them out. Mount Forest opened this year, I think June of 2025. And from what I see on social media, they seem to be embraced by the stationery community. I'm very excited to check out what they have. And then yeah, so I have a few things in my mind of what I want to get my friend Melissa, just like the essentials that I use. So let's go get those. And I also just kind of want to see what they have here because their Instagram and TikTok always looks so fun.
Just so you don't make the same mistake I did, don't park on Del Mar Boulevard, even though that is the address. That is not the front of the shop. You want to go down DeLacy Avenue and then go right into the parking lot on Peach Place, and there you'll find free parking along with the main entrance. My initial thoughts, I love the space. They have lots of opportunity to grow into their space. They have a section where you can purchase notebooks like Travelers or Hobonichi. They have a little community desk where you can test out products such as pens and stamps. Enzo really like this Pochito stamp. They also have store stamps. I should have brought my Hobonichi so I can stamp something in there, but I will have to wait for that next time. I really love their deco wall. They have quite the array of stamps. I wish I was more into stamps, but I just haven't really found a way to incorporate them into my layouts in a way that I like. I get the impression that they're listening to what their customers want and gathering items that way. Instead of having a store full of inventory on items that don't have a demand, I think they are meticulously and methodically filling up their inventory based on what is wanted by the community. Because of that, I wasn't able to find everything I wanted from Melissa, but let me show you what I got from Mount Forest. I know I showed the preview earlier, but here is Melissa's future Hobonichi. I think like the Frog and Toad is so her, so when I saw it, I wanted it so bad. Like I had more of a reaction of what she should get than I should get, because as you guys know, this is my 2026 and I wasn't like super excited about any of them this year as I was for 2025 with the Paddington. And so this is gonna be hers for next year. And then I know they're not essential, but I did want to just get her a couple of stickers to start off. So I got her these because she loves birds. And then I thought this was really cute. It's kind of like a forest, but they're like stitching. They kind of look like a stitch. Focus. There you go. And then, you know what? After I got this, I wish I would have gotten different mile liner, but I need to get her a set of mile liners. So I got these because these are my favorite. But the more I think about it, I should have got her this set that has this one, because this would have gone so much better with this washi tape or washi stickers. But Sorry, Melissa, this is this is the one that I got you. I will say that the sticker selection is very unique. There are so many stickers that I have yet to see anywhere other than like a Japanese stationery store's Instagram. They're not on Yoseka, they're not on JetPens, they're not even on Etsy. So I really appreciate the curation of the stickers that they are bringing into the store. This store is about 40 minutes away without traffic, but I will be back just for the sticker selection. Now let me show you what I got from JetPens so I can complete the care package. I had to get her like a Unival Jetstream multi-pen, and she likes cinnamon roll, so I thought this was really cute. And I love this like clasp more than the ones, because I feel like these are easily broken. You just kind of like put too much pressure and it'll break. And this one is nice and has like a, you know, a movable clip. And then I must have not been paying attention because I got the 0.005, and my favorite to do the borders is the 02. So I definitely was not paying attention when I was buying this. So sorry, Melissa. I mean, this one you can easily use because, you know, the pigment is still dark. It's just, I like a little bit thicker than this, but I'm sorry, Melissa, I was not paying attention. And then these are mine because I needed refills for my Jetstream. Just got her like a basic ruler so she can, you know, line straight. Necessary pencil board so you don't write into the next week. And I just got like a plain gray one. And then a cover because I mean, this is so cute. I feel like you're going to want to do it. And Melissa, if you're watching this, the way to put these covers is don't be afraid of the spine coming off or like bending the spine. This is how you do it. You bend the front and the back, and then you just put it on, and it's fine. It does not ruin the Hobonichi. I've done this so many times, so just a little tip for you if you're watching this. And that is it for this video. I hope you found some inspiration or maybe some guidance on what you like to purchase for your Hobonichi, even if you're not doing Hobonichi. This is great for any journaling planning book that you have. If you've made it this far, thank you so much for watching. And if you are new here, it means so much if you were to like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification button. And Melissa, if you see this before I get your package out, I'm sorry I ruined the surprise. But I'm never good at surprises anyway. I'm the first person to like tell you what I bought you because I just get so excited. And with that, I will see you guys on the next one. Bye. All right, no need to worry. Post office says that it'll be there by Monday.